Some places aren't haunted by ghosts, they are haunted by silence. Now this is not a tale of one ship or one plane. This is a vortex, a hunter with no face and no mercy. Welcome to the tales of the Bermuda Triangle. We don't think there is anything else we can do apart from performing an exorcism. The entire floor, the entire room is covered with blood. एक इंसान ऐसा कैसे कर सकता है? Every member of the family was killed by an axe. Entire room is upside down. What they're seeing is उनकी eldest daughter, who was 12 years old, is now levitating. The perfect condition for a demonic act to unfold. He knew right then that the devil was actually sitting with them in that room that night. Welcome back everyone to another case file. And आज का जो case file है, it's one of the most documented cases of the supernatural. ये एक ऐसा case है जो कि I think is still very much open. Lots of theories, lot of people giving lot of explanations to the happenings, but I don't think अभी तक एक भी ऐसा मिला है जो कि actually support करे कि वहाँ पे हो क्या रहा है. Now before we get into the case, let me tell you, all the episodes of the Supernatural Files are now streaming on Spotify and other podcast platforms. So while you are driving, while you're cooking, having food or doing nothing, you can tune in to Spotify to listen to these files. Nestled between Florida, the islands of Bermuda and Puerto Rico lies this expanse of sea, एक ऐसा area of the ocean जो कि सदियों से एक mystery बन के रहा है. For centuries, pilots, sailors, military, anyone जो कोई भी वो एरिया क्रॉस करने की कोशिश किए हैं, हमेशा they have complained of compass going wrong, seeing weird apparitions, seeing smoke, seeing weird colors and lights, etc, etc. And worst of all, vanishing into thin air without any distress signal. किसी को पता नहीं चलता है कि वो जो शिप था, वो जो प्लेन था, वो जो बोट था, वो जो यॉट था, उसके साथ जो लोग थे, उसका क्रू था, उसका पायलट था, उसका कैप्टन था, वो सब गए कहाँ? Sometimes they send an SOS and most of the times there's absolutely nothing, no signal from that ship, from that plane to the control center कि हो क्या रहा है उनके आसपास. लेकिन जब उन्होंने distress signal दिया, they have shared some of the weirdest and bizarrest things that could possibly happen in this world. Now, the first documented case of Bermuda Triangle is actually जब Christopher Columbus was exploring the different continents and the sea, and जब वो Bermuda Triangle पहुंचने के बाद he writes in his journal that the compass starts going very weird. It's not pointing towards the north anymore. In fact, it's pointing towards nowhere. किसी को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि उनके शिप में जो कंपास था, सिर्फ उनका ही नहीं, बाकी क्रू मेंबर के पास भी जो कंपास था, it wasn't working well. It was malfunctioning. क्रिस्टोफर बात करते हैं of a great flame that plunged into the sea and seeing weird lights hovering across the sea right in front of him. उनका क्रू, gripped by fear and panic, reported of seeing ghostly apparitions and lights that were dancing in a way that no man can explain. But ये जो Bermuda Triangle है, इसकी popularity तब तक नहीं बढ़ी थी, या फिर तब तक इतना popular नहीं हुआ था जब तक Flight 19 का केस नहीं हुआ था. Now what is Flight 19? Now on December 5th, 1945, 5 torpedo bombers called sign Flight 19 took off from the US Naval Air Station at Fort Lauderdale for a routine training flight. सब कुछ normal था, conditions were normal, the sea was calm, the weather was perfect, communication clear था, सब कोई जानते थे कि they are doing a routine training practice, nothing beyond that, no other danger. But halfway through the mission, something happened. Now Charles Taylor, जो कि फ्लाइट के कमांडिंग ऑफिसर थे, उन्होंने एक डिसोरिएंटेड कमांड डिसोरिएंटेड कम्युनिकेशन भेजा टू द कंट्रोल सेंटर। उनके मैसेज में बस इतना होता है दैट समथिंग वियर्ड इज हैपनिंग, दे कांट फाइंड द वेस्ट, in fact they can't find anything, it's just strange, even the ocean doesn't look as it should। और इतना बोलने के बाद उनका जो ट्रांसमिशन था वो मिड ट्रांसमिशन कट ऑफ हो जाता है एंड दे गो रेडियो साइलेंस। पांचों के पांचों एयरक्राफ्ट ऑल गॉन, 14 क्रू इनसाइड दैट ग्रुप सब गायब। now जैसे ही कंट्रोल सेंटर को पता चला उन्होंने डिस्पैच किया एक 13 मेंबर का क्रू टू रेस्क्यू दोस प्लेन्स एंड द क्रू। ये रेस्क्यू क्रू जाके पहुंचती है ऑन द बर्मुडा ट्रायंगल एंड बिफोर दे कुड डू एनीथिंग दे टू vanish into thin air। 13 from the rescue crew, 14 from the previous set of planes, all 27 of them vanished into thin air। आज तक किसी को नहीं पता है कि वो कहाँ गए। Now since then the Bermuda Triangle has been blamed for over 1,000 documented disappearances, and not just airplanes, massive cargo ships, luxury yachts, military vessels, even nuclear submarines have gone radio silent within this eerie triangle। एक कार्गो शिप था यूएस नेवी का जिसका नाम था USS साइक्लॉप्स। नाउ USS साइक्लॉप्स मार्च 1918 में एक रूटीन जर्नी फ्रॉम ब्राज़ील टू बाल्टीमोर तैयार करने की कोशिश कर रहा था। विथ ओवर 300 men ऑन बोर्ड दे वर कैरिंग मैंगनीज ओर। द शिप कभी पहुंचा ही नहीं उसके डेस्टिनेशन को। इट नेवर सेंट एनी डिस्ट्रेस सिग्नल, कोई SOS नहीं, रडार पे कुछ नहीं, कोई रेकेज नहीं, कोई शिप के पार्ट्स नहीं, कोई डेड बॉडीज नहीं, कोई कार्गो भी नहीं। इन द एरिया वेयर इट वैनिश्ड It just went bush। द नेवी का फाइनल डॉक्यूमेंट जो था, जो फाइनल रिपोर्ट वो लोग लिखते हैं, वो रिपोर्ट में लिखा जाता है ओनली गॉड एंड द सी नोज व्हाट हैपेंड टू द ग्रेट शिप। बट सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, और भी होते हैं। In 2005, a Piper PA-23 aircraft with crew member on board with 3 experienced pilots जो वो ग्रुप में थे disappeared en route to Treasure Cay in the Bahamas। No black box, no distress call, no SOS, nothing on the radar। 2015 में एक कार्गो शिप with 70 people on board जिसका नाम था एल फारो, ऑलमोस्ट एक 800 फीट लंबा वेसल just vanished into thin air। No one knows what happened to that huge vessel। Despite GPS tracking and modern tracking systems, the ship couldn't be found on any radar, on any system। Bermuda Triangle का most chilling aspect is actually not the disappearances but of the people who survive those mishaps, those accidents, those disappearances। Every person who has survived these weird phenomena has lived to tell that there have been occurrences of electrical malfunctioning, compass malfunctioning, time distortion, strange fogs, strange lights and weird apparitions occurring the moment their vessel, their ship, their plane enter करता था the Bermuda Triangle। In 1970, pilot Bruce Jernon reported that while flying over the triangle, he entered a strange tunnel-shaped cloud। Inside, his instruments went haywire and visibility dropped to 0। He then went on to share that within moments, he exited the cloud and inexplicably and weirdly enough, covered 100 miles in a matter of minutes। ना बहुत लोगों को लगा कि हाँ फेक रहा है, शायद झूठ बात बोल रहा है, बट जब वो लोगों ने लॉग चेक करा, जब वो लोगों ने फ्लाइट टाइम चेक करा, nothing was adding up। There was something that went wrong or went bizarre inside that cloud। ना बहुत साइंटिस्ट ने बहुत कुछ थ्योरी देने की कोशिश करी। बहुत लोगों ने बोला कि probably there were violent storms or probably there was some electromagnetic interference in there, and many thought maybe it was the waves coming from the sea that was damaging or causing harm to anything that was going over the triangle। and बाकी लोगों ने ये क्लेम किया कि मीथेन गैस का अगर इरप्शन हो रहा है सी बेड से, it can instantly drown ships and other things, जब भी वो उसके ऊपर से जाते थे। बट कोई भी थ्योरी ये एक्सप्लेन कभी नहीं किया कि why there wasn't a single distress signal, why there was never a wreckage that was found, even though shallow water में वो डूब गया होगा या फिर गायब हो गया होगा। कुछ लोगों का ये भी मानना है that the Bermuda Triangle is actually a dimensional rift, kind of like a portal doorway to another realm. And that जो कोई भी उधर से पास किया है वो लोग मरे नहीं है. They have just been displaced to another timeline. While many other theories claim of alien abductions because of the lights that people see during the moment. While many believe that the remnant of the ancient civilization, the Atlantis, uska remnant hai below the triangle, and that is giving out powerful electromagnetic fields which is causing all the disruption, all the mishaps, all the accidents and all the disappearances. And then there is the spiritual theory. Many people claim that that area, the Bermuda Triangle, is actually cursed by the people who have lost their lives. लोगों का मानना ऐसा है कि जो कोई भी वहाँ पे मरे हैं, उनकी जो सोल है, उनकी जो हाय है, वो अभी वो जगह को कर्स कर चुकी है. And it is these entities, these spirits, which are causing these disruptions. This theory gained traction after multiple psychics and spiritual mediums claimed to hear cries for help when meditating over maps of the region. Some even reported seeing visions of hands reaching up from the depths, not for rescue, but to pull more into their watery prison. It's actually chilling thought that the Bermuda Triangle is actually feeding. And yet, despite the dangers, despite these stories and the phenomena and the claims, thousands of planes and ships cross Bermuda Triangle every single year. But सब कोई डूबते नहीं है, सब कोई गायब नहीं होते हैं. And it just adds up more to the mystery that how are these certain planes and ships and vessels were selected while the rest were spared? What is the pattern that this is how this ship will be treated and this is how this particular plane will be treated? Who is controlling the Bermuda Triangle? But the important question is, जो कि मुझे भी आया था, why isn't anyone else reporting any vanishing at the Bermuda Triangle? And the darker truth is, they are. But not all reports make it to public databases. Many disappearances are quietly buried under vague technical malfunctions, insurance claims, and the convenient excuse of bad weather. Commercial and military interests have no desire to fuel the myth. Too many questions would jeopardize billion-dollar industries. And so, we are left with whispers, questions, and doubts about the Bermuda Triangle that is layered upon layered upon layered with mystery, doubts, and testimonies from people who have survived, who have seen those weird phenomena happening. There is no official marking map के ऊपर कि Bermuda Triangle यहीं पे है, but everyone just knows where it is. ऐसा नहीं है कि वहाँ का पानी ज़्यादा ब्लू है, वहाँ का स्काई ज़्यादा डार्क है, वहाँ पे पक्षियाँ नहीं उड़ती, वहाँ पे मछलियाँ नहीं हैं. Nothing different out there, and yet something so bizarre, so dangerous, so eerie that it has drowned and devoured people, vessels, yachts, planes over centuries. Now it could be science, it could be a curse, it could be entities, it could be anything. But let me say, unlike people telling bhoot nahi hote, Bermuda Triangle is pretty much real. It exists. A weird one, but yeah, this is what we do at the Supernatural Files. अगर आपने यहाँ तक देख लिया है, thank you so much for watching till the end. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा, please do like, please do let me know आपके क्या theories हैं about the Bermuda Triangle and what do you think actually is happening at this place. अगर आपने subscribe नहीं किया है, please do consider subscribing. I will see you soon.